Hello and welcome to my unboxing video of the Syncwire 4-port USB charger. This is my first Syncwire product, so I am looking forward to seeing what the quality is like of this. I normally buy Anchor products which are very high quality, and I do have a feeling that this will be just as good as that. So let's go ahead and open the box. As you can see here, this is a travel charger, so it does come with the different heads for EU, UK, so that one is a UK one. This is the charger itself. It is quite a bulky charger. It has a good weight to it, unlike some other ones which are hollow. It does have lots of internal safety equipment, so that is good to know. So this is your EU one, just a standard 2-pin. This is your UK one, 3-pin. And if you just got, you can just use a US one like this. So I think this will attach onto this. So it clips in nice and easily, as you can see. You just slide it in and out like this. The connection does feel really good, so I would trust this. I would trust this charger completely. There it is with the EU one on it. So the charging ports are at the top. As you can see, it has two 1-amp ones and two 2.4 amps. So normally your phone might be fast charging, so you plug that into that one or that one. Such as my S8, I would plug it into one of these grey coloured dot ones. And if I was charging something like a power bank overnight, or headphones or something that doesn't need as much power quickly, I would use the ones with the white dots. So this charger is a fast charger, so you can use it with your latest devices. It has smart technology, so it will detect which device is connected to it and how much power it should supply to each device. Like I said before, you can use this as a normal charger, just as a home one, but if you are travelling, you can just take it off the wall, quickly unclip that and use whichever one you need depending on where you are travelling to. Quality wise, I would say this is a 10 out of 10. It's really solid. It's probably the heaviest charger I've had. The rest do feel a bit lighter, including the official Samsung one. The quality is definitely there for this price especially. It's currently on sale for $14.99 on Amazon, which I think is a fair price considering how many uses this one has. So if you like to travel to France, for example, you can have that. And the US, you've got the built-in pins here, and for the UK, you've obviously got that. It is available in two colours, black and white. I went for the white. It has an LED there, so you know if it's on or not. And I would definitely recommend this. My first impressions are very positive about this item. I will be further testing it, and in the comments I'll let you know how I get along with it. If this video has been helpful, please leave a comment and a like. Thank you for watching.